Hello everyone, welcome to our new video on how to use Notion AI for project management. If you're interested in this software, all you need to do is to go to the link in the description or the pinned comment where you'll be able to click on it and go to sign up or access to a free trial on the platform. Now, what we're gonna do is to go and give you some tips about the tool and how to do it. So as we know, Notion is a versatile platform that combines notes, tasks, database, and calendars to create a comprehensive project management environment. Its AI-driven capabilities allow for a seamless and integrated experience. So let's dive into it and let's see how we can use it so that by giving some tips about it. So I'm gonna go and access my account by clicking on Get Notion Free. I already have an account. You just need an email address. After that, I'm just will go here to my dashboard, and as you can see, this is the dashboard that you're gonna have for your Notion AI. Now, if you wanna learn how to use Notion AI, the first thing that you need to do is to create your team space. So just click on here and go and, for example, let's say sales team or something like that, and then you add the description right here and create your team space. Now you can invite people to join your team space, or you can just skip it for now. Now I'll give you some tips that are very important to manage this tool. The first thing that you need to do is actually to go to the template, because you'll have to know why are you using the tool for which project. So here we have a list of possibilities and projects. So for example, we have tools for marketing, for engineering, we have for design, for startup, operation, sales, etc. So this is a sales team. So for example, we can click on here, we can get this template. So I'm gonna click on get templates. So this is for sales wiki, sales asset. Let me, for example, let's choose sales CRM and click on get template from here. I'm gonna add it to the new team, which is sales team. Click on here. So this is the first thing, as I said, that you'll need to do, get the template to understand what you're gonna do. Now here, for example, for the sales team, we have the sales CRM template, which is actually amazing because it offers amazing features. For example, here we'll be able to add our leads right here. So when we have a contact, when we have a collaboration, a partner, we'll be able to put them right here. So when it's a potential partner that we didn't contact, it will be right here. So when we see the potential, we can move it directly right here. So, or we click just to add the new, we can add it. Then here we have the proposal. So when you send the proposal, you can add it to here, and when we're negotiating and other options. So for example, let me just go here, we have negotiation, when the negotiation is closed, or a win negotiation, and of course if your lead is not successful, so it is lost, you'll be able to add it right here. Now for example, as I told you, you can directly move stuff from here to here like this, from proposal to negotiation. So this is how it's gonna be like. Now we have other options. So for example, here we have all records, we have high priority stuff, so we can see the tasks that we have. So this is actually the most important thing to manage and be an expert in using Notion AI, which is know how to choose your template. Don't forget to go to the description or pin comment and use the link to access the platform totally for a free trial.